Adding and spending money from a sinking fund. Now, a sinking fund is a dedicated saving account or budget category set aside for specific future expenses like vacation, car repairs, or holiday gifts. Basically, adding money feature is regularly contribute a set amount to the sinking fund, often monthly or with each paycheck. The amount depends on the total goal and the timeline for reaching it. Now, for spending money, when the targeted expense arises, withdraw from the sinking fund instead of using credit cards or disrupting your budget. This ensures you're prepared to avoid unnecessary debt. Sinking fund provides a simple, stress-free way to manage irregular expenses. Now you can go ahead and set the adding money to set a goal, divide your contributors, automate savings, and track your progress. For the spending money feature, use it only for its purpose. When the expense arises, withdraw or use the amount directly for that specific purpose. Example, you want to pay for your vacation. Now you want to stay disciplined, replenish if needed, and by systematically adding and spending money from a sinking fund, you can manage your finances smoothly and avoid unnecessary debt or stress. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.